we move.
So I was just a normal person, but the only thing that I know that is a bit abnormal about me is my love for food, my love for travel. So I just know that that's abnormal, but I never thought about having to set up a business around it. And then you will be normal and abnormal in between when you're running a business in Nigeria. You're not going to have everything straight at once. It's not just enough to say, oh, I love it, passion. That's why people say that passion is not enough. So you have passion for it, and then what is the kind of lifestyle, or what are the things you need to do to get it done? And that's what inspired me to keep sharing about living optimal lives for women. Now it's now beyond I love it, I'm passionate about it, I want to do it as a business. In the middle of it you run mad. How do you bring yourself back to normal and continue to do this over and over again? So I've got 7 tips. Like I said, the 7 tips cut across parenting and entrepreneurship. And then the first thing I have here is preparation. So now these tips honestly sound like the everyday thing. They're not new to us, but one of the things I've realized is these days we had issues around, okay, so there's this thing around trends. You hear things like, okay, so today my son is always like, he's had this thing for me. Mommy, you're always on your phone, or you're always working. I want to tell you this story and you're not listening to me. So I decided to take it upon myself to say, okay, madam, you brought this child to the world. You will have to drop work and listen to him. Because if you don't, who will? That's the truth. Who is going to listen to his stories? How the elephant flew on the dock, and the dog now fell under the pillar, and then the pillar now. So at that point, it didn't matter if we hadn't reached our sales goals, it doesn't care. So in my mind I'm like, okay, what do we then say about millennial parenting? We're not talking about preparation well enough. Maybe it's good to talk about when I wanted to get married, like we checked all the latest bridal choices and everything. But maybe we're not talking about some of those things enough. I shared it on Twitter this after that. These are some of the things that our parents maybe don't tell us enough of. You will have to listen to that child. At that very point, it doesn't matter if, oh, my passion, because he's helpless. You can help yourself. When it comes to feeding your child, you can fast. But the baby cannot fast. So when it comes to parenting, what I've seen is maybe we don't talk about preparation well enough. Okay, even if we weren't prepared well enough, well, it has come. I'm sorry. You have to drop your phone and listen to the boy. So preparation is what I'm going to say. And when it comes to business as well, it's the same thing. It's good to say just start. How many of us have heard? We've heard that now. Start the way you are. Start with what you have. So let me tell you the risk. I like the giggle, so it sounds like we can all relate, right? So I am a perfect example of someone who started just the way I was. I was a journalist writing reports, and then I'm starting, producing baby food that requires extra regulations. Hello. They're not the same thing. They're not the same thing. So yeah, start with what you have, but there would definitely be some needs for preparation. So I think we need to really tell ourselves the truth. It's good. Planning here is, I'm not writing anything about planning your books, planning your accounts. They're all good. But I'm writing here, plan to live a wholesome life.
Plan to live a wholesome life.
Plan it. Include it in your plan to live a wholesome life. Because like I said, this is going to be about the hardest thing to do. Everyone is going to teach you about planning your finances. Everyone is going to teach you about planning, everything. But you see, parenting, planning to really enjoy what you're doing and living that life that you really want. Very few people are going to see remind you about that. We spend.
Hi, Juliet.
Hello.
How are you?
Very well.
So, how did your day go?
Amazing, 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 amazing. I made so many wonderful outfits. Here is one of them: a beautiful shift dress
And
a lovely skirt.
okay.
I also cut a pair of shorts. Yeah, I'm going to sew that when I get home. So, yeah, it was beautiful. I sewed with wonderful people, wonderful yummy mommies. So, yeah, thank you, Nedoux, for this opportunity. Lots of love.
Thank you. You did so well. Thank you for bringing enthusiasm and good vibes to my class. I wish you the best.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, Zainab.
Hi, Nedoux.
Okay, so how are you?
Very well, thank you.
Okay, tell me, what did you learn today?
Okay, so we learned the basic bodies for a dartless top, for a sheet dress, for a gathered skirt, for a gathered dress, so the bodies and the gathers at the bottom. Yeah, and then we made sheet dress and a gathered skirt.
Well
We also
done.
cut a pair of shorts, and made the pattern and then cut it out.
Very good, very good. So, how do you feel about your as in
I'm very happy because I've been very clueless about children's clothes. Clueless, and it is something that's on my mind. So when I saw this opportunity, I've actually been following you on Instagram. Wow, so there was always a reason to postpone. Fortunately or unfortunately, I should have been somewhere else today, but I already paid. So when it came up, I said, you know what, I paid for this class, I'm going. Yeah, and I'm glad I came.
well done, well done. Thank you for attending. You did a good
Thank you
job.
for the opportunity.
Thank you. Thank you, Zainab. So, hi, Shala. What are you holding up?
I'm holding my dress that I just made today.
Okay.
An A-line dress that I made for my daughter. I'm hoping she's going to fit into it. I learned pattern cut for shorts. Yes.
Well done, well done. So, how do you think this would make a difference? This extra skill you just gained today.
Oh, well, with enough practice, or with continued practice rather, I'm hoping to make more dresses, skirts and shorts for my daughter. You know, try to cut back on spending so much on tailoring. You know, and it's actually a hobby. I'm hoping that I'm going to enjoy it.
I'm so happy to say a hobby.
I'm really happy about it.
Well done, a hobby and also a money saving.
Yes, money saving venture.
Well done. Hi, Atta. So what are you holding up? Let's see. Oh,
Yeah, that's good.
nice. I would love. And what else?
Yeah, I made a pretty little shift skirt.
Well done, well done, well done. So how do you feel about this experience?
It was fun. It was fun learning new things. I never thought making shorts would be so easy. So I learned how to cut shorts with different patterns. Patterns are not so scary as they always sound.
No, they're not.
So it's fun. Then working with an amazing team made it feel a whole lot easier.
True.
This time is not very stressful.
You're right. So teamwork made it faster today.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, you guys-
And also fun. I needed to learn from a lot of people and meet other wonderful people. as
True,
well.
very true.
It was a wonderful experience.
Well done. So use your machine, no, use that machine.
So I'll have to open that. One year anniversary.
Thank you, Ato. Best wishes. Hi, Doris.
Hi,
So what are you holding?
I'm holding a skirt,
And
a short.
okay, well done, well done. So what did you learn today?
A lot. I can't actually believe it that from the scratch, I don't know how to match a machine, but look at what I made. Like, tailors don't show me. Tailors don't show me, but look at, seriously, I'm impressed. I'm impressed.
Okay. What else did you cut? You cut some other things as well. You cut
Yes,
some other
I
things.
made a shift dress, shorts, skirts, then the top.
Well done,
Yes.
well done, well done. So the thing is that Doris has a Kidswear line already, but she can't sew. So she came to understand how to sew today, and I'm happy that she achieved that. So I hope that this would somehow improve your business process.
Yeah.
Okay.
For sure. For sure.
Well
I'll
done.
be giving you updates because you'll be surprised.
I trust you. Obiama.